Welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Mexican sweetbread. You're going to need a large mixing bowl, a glass bowl, a rolling pin, some cling wrap, 3 cookie sheets, a whisk, a knife, 4 measuring cups, some food coloring of any color, some towels, and a spatula. Next, I'll show you the ingredients that we use today. I'm using flour. This is the type of flour that I'm using. I'm using sugar or stevia, vanilla extract, salt, 1 egg, instant yeast, Crisco shortening, and unsalted butter. To begin, I will be adding 4 cups of flour to a large mixing bowl. Side note, keep a room temperature egg and unsalted butter ready. Taking our glass bowl, we will prepare our yeast. I will take 1 tablespoon of yeast, one tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of flour. And about 1 cup of warm water. Using our whisk, blend well until you can see no visible chunks. Next, wrap your glass bowl with a square of cling wrap. Then place 1 towel underneath and 1 on top. If I would hurry up, this would be nice. This is so annoying. Can you just hurry up? It's a towel. And then place in a warm area for about 15 to 20 minutes. Coming back to our large mixing bowl, cut 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter, add it to our mixing bowl if it will come out. Just get in there with a spoon if you have to. Add about 6 tablespoons of sugar or stevia, whichever you like, whatever's your poison. Add your room temperature egg, preferably without any shell in it, and 1 full cap of vanilla extract. Lastly, 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Now our yeast has sat for a little while. It's ready to be mixed with all the rest of our ingredients. Make sure it's bubbly. Water does vary, no more than 1/2 cup. P.S. Knead for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending how long you can last. The dough should be blended very well, resembling pizza dough. Not too sticky and not too firm. Out of the kindness of my beautiful sister, we are now done kneading our dough. We will place that beautiful plump dough back to our large mixing bowl and proceed to struggle and cover with cling wrap. Come on, we're struggling. And place in a warm area with a towel on top to keep warm for about an hour. In another large mixing bowl, mix 1/2 cup of sugar. Doesn't matter on the proportions, just add the sugar. 1/2 cup of flour. And 1/2 cup of Crisco shortening. You can see she's just having some cling wrap on the measuring cup so she makes less of a mess. And now the fun part. You get to add some splashes of food coloring. Any color. I picked pink, obviously. I wanted to put the whole bottle, but I knew it would stain everything around me. And blend well until it's a paste. This is a little bit difficult to mix, so blend as well as you can with a spoon, then begin kneading it with your hands. Here is this beautiful paste. Also, I'm showing off my nails that my beautiful sister did. You should totally check out her other videos. Apply a thin layer of Crisco or Pam spray so the dough does not stick to the cookie sheets. We kind of take a long time, so. Dough should be twice as big as when you first covered it. Look how big it is. It's beautiful. If it's a tad bit too sticky, sprinkle the table with a little bit of flour. Now it's time to shape some balls. You're going to form the dough into equal sized little balls. Use the scraper if your dough loves the table too much. Here we separated a batch of 6 to make plain biscuits. They have a sweet taste to them, but it's not overpowering. Similar to Hawaiian sweet rolls. For the rest of the batch, we used a rolling pin to stretch out each ball of dough so it looks like a cow's tongue. That's not right. Now obviously you can see my sister is pointing at the pink paste. We now bring in our pink paste, we roll it into a worm and place it in the middle of the fuck. Anyways, she pointed at the pink paste. We now bring in our pink paste. Divide the paste to equal the same amount for each ball of dough you have. We roll it into a worm and place it in the middle of the tongue. We are shaping ours into a horseshoe, but you can shape it like straight or however you like. Make a new design. Be special. Be extra. Maybe don't make yours as thin as we did. Personal complaints from my brother-in-law. We also cut ours in half, but you don't have to. Preheat your oven to 365 Fahrenheit and bake between 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. They are cooked when they are light golden brown. Be careful when removing from the oven. They are very hot, so wait a few minutes for them to cool down because they will burn your mouth like they did to ours. And with y'all, it's all done. It's so beautiful. But if you are vegan, you can substitute the butter with vegan butter or use shortening. Instead of an egg, use vegan eggs or just not use the egg at all. But thank you so much for watching the Clumsy Sisters today. Subscribe, like, and save that video because we make such great videos. And make sure to check out my sister's nails. Thank you so much. Goodbye.